correctly. Okay, what are they? Are you curious? Without further ado, let's get started. The first word is this one. How would you say it? It's not fruit. There are not two syllables there. We actually pronounce this word fruit. Once again, fruit. Okay, remember it. The next word we have is this one. Many students make the mistake of saying this word. Okay, let me ask you first. Please say this word. How you pronounce it? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Are you sure? The right pronunciation is listen. Not listen, but listen. Repeat after me, listen. Okay, good job. Number 3, we have this word. I often hear many students pronounce this incorrectly. How you pronounce it? Make sure you pronounce it like this. Answer. Not answer, but answer. The letter W is silent. So once again, answer. Not answer, but answer. Next we have. Many students say name. My name is. No. Stop to that. The right pronunciation is name. Once again, name. My name is Putri. Okay, name, and do not say name anymore. The fifth word is this one. I've heard of different pronunciation with this word. I've had QWW, where I've heard QU, but really we just say Q. One syllable only Q. The meaning is mengantri. You should Q when you buy something in canteen. Okay, the next word we have is this one. If you like cooking, then you should have seen this word before. And most people say recipes, but it should be recipe. 3 syllables, recipe. Repeat after me, recipe. Okay, next is. So many people pronounce this incorrectly. They want to say every syllable. So they will say comfortable, but it should be comfortable. We actually use a syllable there. Comfortable, not comfortable, but comfortable. The same goes for number 8. Which is not vegetable. The correct one is vegetable. Repeat after me, vegetable. Not vegetable, but vegetable. Similarly, we have this word. So many people saying chocolate, but it should be chocolate. Remember again, the right one is chocolate. There are 2 syllables there. Chocolate, not chocolate, but chocolate. Okay, and my last 3 are days of the week. So number 10 is this one. How would you say it? I think you say Tuesday, but it should be Tuesday. In reality, it's Tuesday, not Tuesday, but Tuesday. Next, we have this day. Please say this, guys. 1, 2, 3. Are you sure? Many students say like this, Friday, which is totally wrong. The right one is Friday. Friday. Then the last one is this word. Another day of the week, not Wednesday, which is totally wrong. The right one is Wednesday, not Wednesday, but Wednesday. So this is for today's pronunciation lesson. I really hope it helped you. I understand it's quite hard for many people to pronounce correctly. But if you want to speak English well, you've got to practice. Hopefully you can pronounce this word more confidently. You will need to repeat and practice again and again. So that's part of learning a language. Make sure that you connect with us on all of our social media. Follow our Instagram on @NURIS Jember, and of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.